She has 3 million followers. She doesn't exist. He sells products for millions of dollars. He's made of code. They walk runways. They have agents. They were never born. Welcome to the rise of AI influencers. Synthetic celebrities built on a computer, sold to real people. Today we're hunting them. Where they came from, why brands are obsessed, and what happens to real creators. So what is an AI influencer exactly? Think of it like this. A normal influencer is a real person who posts content. They wake up, they take selfies, they show their life, they get tired. An AI influencer is none of that. It's a digital character, built with software, designed to look human, designed to feel like a person. But behind the scenes, there is no person. There's a team, there's an algorithm, there's a 3D model, and sometimes there's an AI generating every photo. The most famous ones, Lil Miquela, Emma, Aitana, have millions of followers. They post outfit photos, they go to events, they make money, real money. And here's the strange part. Most of their fans know they're not real. They follow anyway. But why now? Why is everyone suddenly building synthetic influencers? One word, cost. A real influencer takes time. They need food, sleep, vacation. They get sick. They have opinions. They make mistakes. Sometimes they say the wrong thing, and a brand loses millions. An AI influencer doesn't do any of that. They never sleep. They never age. They post every day, speak any language, wear whatever the brand pays for, never go off script. For brands, this is a dream. Total control, predictable, cheaper after the setup, and forever young. And once one brand tries it, every brand watches the result. The race is on. So how does one of these get built? It usually starts with a 3D model, a face, a body, a look, designed to be appealing without belonging to any one country, age, or culture. Then comes the personality, likes, dislikes, a backstory, a vibe. Sometimes funny, sometimes serious, sometimes mysterious. Then comes the content engine. AI tools generate the photos. AI tools clone the voice. AI tools write the captions. Sometimes a human polishes everything. Sometimes nobody touches it at all. And then they post, every day, around the clock, in any city, at any event, even ones they never attended. A real human influencer can make one post a day. A synthetic one can be in 50 places at once. Now here's the part that gets weird. Even when we know they're not real, we still follow them. We still like the photos. We still leave comments. Why? Part of it is curiosity. They look strange enough to stop your thumb. Part of it is design. AI influencers are built to look perfect. Every angle, every outfit, every smile. But the deeper reason is something most people don't admit. We don't always want a real connection. Sometimes we just want entertainment, a character, a story. And honestly, real influencers were already kind of curated. They edit their photos, they pose, they post the good days, not the bad ones. They are, in a way, characters they play online. An AI influencer is just the next step. Polished further, no bad days, no mood swings, no human friction. That's comforting to some people and uncomfortable to others. Now let's talk about real creators. Imagine you spent years building your channel. You film yourself, you edit, you write captions, you build trust with real people. Then a brand picks an AI influencer instead. Because the AI doesn't ask for as much money. Because the AI never says no. Because the AI is always on brand. This is happening right now. Brand deals are quietly moving towards synthetic creators in some industries. Fashion, cosmetics, tech, gaming. And it's not just the deals, the standards are shifting too. When every photo is AI perfect, what does real beauty even look like? When every video is AI smooth, what does a normal vlog feel like? Real creators aren't just competing with each other anymore. They're competing with infinite, tireless, flawless characters that can be reskinned for every brand on earth. That's the creator problem. Not visible yet, but growing. But there's a darker layer. First, fake authenticity. AI influencers can fake emotions they don't have, fake stories they didn't live, fake friendships, fake heartbreaks. People bond with characters they think are real. Second, manipulation. A perfectly tuned synthetic personality can be aimed at you to sell you a product, push a viewpoint, or shape your taste without ever announcing it's artificial. Third, beauty standards. When the most followed faces don't exist, the bar for normal humans quietly rises. People start trying to look like a 3D render. Some already do. Fourth, scams and fake accounts. The tech that builds a friendly AI character is the same tech behind fake celebrity scams, romance scams, and identity theft. The line between fun influencer and dangerous clone is thinner than you think. And fifth, jobs, models, voice actors, photographers, content creators. The first quiet wave of replacement isn't movies or coding. It's the people who used to be the face of a product. Now here's the part most takes get wrong. AI itself isn't the villain. Used carefully, synthetic characters can be amazing. Indie creators with no budget can build worlds. Small brands can have a mascot without hiring an agency. Storytellers can bring impossible characters to life. The problem isn't that AI can fake a person. The problem is when it pretends not to. The technology is neutral, the intent is not. So where does this leave us? In one, synthetic influencers explode. Most accounts you follow become some mix of human and machine. The line just stops existing. In another, people get tired of perfection. The fake faces feel hollow. There's a comeback for raw, messy human content. Made by a human becomes the new luxury label. The most likely future? A split. The question isn't whether AI influencers will exist. They already do. The question is what we choose to follow. So next time you scroll, look closer. Some of those faces might never have existed. Some of those friends might be a script. Some of those lives might be a product. You don't have to be afraid of AI influencers, but you should know they're there. This channel hunts the strange corners of internet culture. If that's your thing, hit subscribe and join the chase. New trend every time.